Hello, viewers. In this tutorial video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of purchasing airtime and data bundles online. Here's what you need to do. After funding your primary wallet, first move funds to the VAS wallet. On your dashboard, look for the Buy Airtime icon and click on it. And fill in the required information, making sure to enter the recipient's phone number correctly. The system will automatically detect the network that the recipient's number belongs to. Remember, your login password serves as your PIN. Click Buy Airtime to complete the transaction instantly.
For data subscriptions, go to Data Bundle in your options. Select from MTN, Airtel or other GSM data, Glow and 9 Mobile. Follow the prompts, using your password as the PIN to confirm your order. A pop-up notification confirms your successful order, pending delivery. Give it a moment, and you'll receive your subscription. If you still need assistance, feel free to contact us on your dashboard.